Or later, there comes a time when a room needs to be painted. Many think painting is an easy task. It is so simple that many think they can do it themselves. The first step is to clear the room. As much as possible, remove everything from the areas to be painted. As a minimum, primer all bare areas. Using the appropriate type of caulking, you want to apply it to cover all cracks. Next step is to brush all along the edges. This step differentiates a painter from a non-painter, whereas the non-painter will be leaving paint all over the creation. While rolling the paint, the backyard painter will have drips and splattering. Notice how the painter applies the paint where it is meant to be painted. When the painting is done, the next step is to replace all the accessories. Like I mentioned previously, many think that painting a room is easy. Just add a layer of paint. You have two choices. Either paint it yourself or have a professional paint it the right way.